Oh wait, I just cut off. Okay, now I'm back. Yeah, let me just quick. Let me switch internet. Okay, I'm back. Again. And now. Hey man, so Abby, how's life?
Not bad at all.
How was? Not bad at all.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, there's nothing much to say. I think life is good, you know?
That's good.
Yeah, how about you?
How's I'm good, man. I don't know why, but I feel like my chem course is a lot more. It's more difficult than having 2 courses in my previous quad.
Wow.
I'm not sure why.
Wait, is your teacher someone that we know? Like in Woburn, or?
Yeah.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Is it Losa?
Yeah.
Bro. Okay, now I'm kinda unsurprised now. You know
I
Losa?
know he's like I don't go to virtual, but I go type of thing.
So it's like a hybrid, yeah. Or am I getting it wrong?
I get Wilbur. Yeah. Like I don't get teachers.
I think your thing, mic is like cutting off a little.
See. I think it's because my internet, like, I used to use. Oh, I don't think you can even hear me. But like, I used to use Ethernet, but now I'm using Wi-Fi, and then you can't just depend on Wi-Fi for the stream. That's why I'm having these problems.
No, I hear you well, but yeah, that makes sense. I mean, as long as you can speak, you know.
No, but the thing is, I think like the stream is being hosted on my computer, right?
Oh,
So I think, well, I don't know actually. It might just work. Okay,
good.
a few more.
Yeah, I just realized something. Like, if you stream, it's like it's so useful. You stream is so useful, but like at the same time, it's not. Like, if the host leaves, it's all over.
I know, right? Yeah.
Like, there's no plan B thing.
Yeah, that's true.
So, do you have any updates?
Updates, as in, what do you mean?
Anything, anything,
Anything.
even with the code.
The code. Well, I didn't work on it since last time because yeah, I was pretty busy actually. But updates, as in, we're getting. So I added the player class. Oh wait, are you still there?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
It's just
Oh, okay.
something came up. Yeah, I got it. That
Okay.
makes sense. Yeah. Go on.
I had the player. And then yeah, in the player class, I added a few attributes like the user, player's wallet, player's level, lives, name, etc. And I'm trying to get it to like add each member.
Okay. Yeah, that I think in a wider scale that makes sense. Yeah. Like, cause I was just
No,
thinking.
like
Sorry, go on. Go. Please
no,
go.
you can say it. Oh, okay.
No. Please go first. I insist.
Yeah, so I was basically saying like yeah. So the problem is, it's like I don't want that to be my thing. I just want it to work. It's not really working now. I don't know why.
Hmm.
In the future, probably it's like whoever like invokes a command from the bot, player will be stored.
Interesting. Wait,
What were
so
you saying?
did you like push anything?
Because I did change something that I'm actually not remember, so I'll just quick time check.
You can hear me, right?
I can hear you, yeah.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, last time I pushed was 27 days ago, or 21 days ago.
Interesting. So
So I don't know.
basically we're just going off where we left off.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So um,
All right, so I added the story. There you go.
okay,
Okay,
that's
so
good.
do you want to share your screen first, or you like?
All right, I'll go first.
Okay.
Okay, so I haven't changed much at all. I'm just trying to add in UI. I'm adding it down here, but it's nothing too big yet. It's just a major game. It's just the main gameplay.
Nothing too good, but everything amazing. You already know. Let's
What
go.
I find no, what I find kind of sad is that like I can't find a way to wait for an event. Like I know there's wait for it,
Yeah.
but that only waits for like built-in events.
Oh, wait. Wait for an event.
Yeah, so like if for instance, like suppose like I made this, right? I have this event and
Uh-huh.
someone calls hit. I want to wait for hit, but I can't.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
so you can't just make it so like if command invoked, there is like a Boolean statement where it's like if this command is in or something like that.
Wait, is this part of the cogs or the commands
No,
or
it's not. It's part of commands.
interesting?
You can check it out. Yeah, it's on Discord PY something like that. But I don't remember exactly.
Yeah,
But I
because what I've been doing is that I've been like I literally made a wild true statement and I was like subtracting. I just got like the current benchmark like time and like I was just like repeatedly checking if the time to respond was less than the actual time that elapsed
oh
through in a wild true statement, which kind of sucks.
yeah, you're right. Yeah,
So
so there is like most of the stuff that we need is inside Discord.py. That's what I realized. But yeah, so you can just use invoke something. I don't know, just search invoked command or something like that, and
yeah,
then
yeah.
yeah, should be there.
Okay. So do you want to share screen and
Oh yeah.
provide anything?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. All right. So far I just added the player class like I mentioned before. So um, we put this in like a new file where and the purpose basically the purpose of this class is so instead of having just users interacting with the bot, we need some type of way to attribute certain aspects, certain things like levels and coins or money, lives and stuff to the users. And in order to do that, we got to somehow wrap Um,
I
like
think you're not sharing your screen.
I'm not. Wait.
I think I might.
It says sharing
I
screen. Let me
I
check.
don't see anything.
Oh
But
no. You're right. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
okay.
Okay.
Do you want to go off where you left off? I was listening,
Yeah,
but
epic fail. Yeah. I'll just restart. Okay, so basically, yeah. So what I was saying was, we created this new player class. I created this new player class last stream, I guess. And what it does is it it basically attributes the attributes that we need, such as a level, money or a wallet, and lives that we won't be able to get if we just had a user interacting with the bot, right? So instead, this class wraps around the user, um, wraps around every single user and gives them these attributes. So instead of interacting with users, we interact with players, if that makes any sense. Um, and what that basically allows us to do is in the shop and in our other commands, such as our play command. And yeah, so basically right now it's only the shop and play. In the shop, they have money, which is in their wallet attribute. They can buy things using their wallet. And in play command, probably not now, but probably in the most likely in the future, they're gonna have like lives, and then their lives are gonna be determined by they can buy extra lives and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's basically the most major update. Another small update would be right over here. This is more like a test where I'm trying to make the player class do something. I'm trying to basically make I'm trying to basically try to make every member in a server into a player. It's not really working out right now, so that's what I'm gonna be working on right now. Otherwise, yeah, those are basically the most major updates. And I just organize my work area real quick. Okay. Now, Abby, I can show my screen, but then if you have anything more interesting, you can show yours. I'm just gonna be trying to figure the problem out.
actually, I just searched up the API reference. Do you want to check it out with me?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Give me a sec. Yeah, that should be it. So, is this what you're talking about after invoke? So it says a post invoke hook that is called directly after the command is called. This makes it a useful function to clean up database connections or any type of cleanup required. That might
You can
not.
try it. It might work. But there's something else though. It's like, wait, is hit a command or a subcommand?
It's a command.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Probably just I don't know. Just try a different. Try a different. Oh.
This?
Oh no. I think invoke. No, invoke is like it just activates the command.
Oh, I see.
Runs the command.
Wait for. This is what I was talking before, but does this wait for the actual like I don't know how to explain it. So this function returns the first event that meets the requirements. Bro,
Yeah, I think.
What is this actually?
Oh, I think. I think what it does is just takes. So you know how events they're just like they run. They just basically check if some specific action happens, and then just runs the code if the action happens.
See,
I think what it does. Yeah.
This confused me because it says event string, the event name similar to event reference but without the on prefix. So are we talking about like built-in events like on message and like on reaction
Yeah,
and stuff like that.
yeah, exactly.
But I don't want to do on message. I wanna just wait for that one event. I mean that one command.
I mean, can you just use after invoke, or like?
That's what I'm looking at right now. But I think this is also asynchronous. So basically meaning that like it doesn't really wait. That is, it's like it's kind of like its own event. So it's like it kind of like skips and like it doesn't wait. It
Yeah,
doesn't
but
like
I mean, like, yeah, you're right. I think you're right for that. But like, try. There's something with an invoke, like either after invoke or on invoke or something like that. I think
interesting.
that might help you.
Hmm. Just check that out again.
Actually, I can actually help search you. Search with you. I've seen it once. I think I've probably used it somewhere, but I don't remember. Oh yeah, I remember I was trying to use it. Oh yeah, I was trying to use it for my buy. Like when I run shop,
Yeah.
then I have to like buy. I want to run buy as a command, but I used the while loop like you.
So
Or
there.
actually, I didn't use a while loop. Sorry, I used an on message event, and then on message like if it equals buy or whatever.
Oh, okay. I did
Yeah.
have that before. So
Oh
okay.
yeah.
In that case, I guess it's inevitable. I'm gonna have to use it. Hello, Elise. How's your bug going? Yeah, it's going fine, man. It's it's really coming together.
Have you said that with like no emotion? It's like I
No,
mean
but
it's going all right. We need more. We need to do this faster, man.
yeah, definitely. Mm.
But it's coming. Yeah, it is actually coming together. That's what I like. I know, right? Erase. Jeez. Jeez. Okay. I guess meanwhile, I'll also share my screen too, and then everyone can join me debugging this very interesting problem.
Okay.
And then you can let me know whenever you got it ready.
I'm doing good always. I'm being like pretty chill, nothing too serious, nothing too exciting, that is. But I'm doing the usual. Life is good. I think I told Zaid this too. How are you, at least?
Wace is oh he's in my chemistry class too. Oh he's probably suffering right now. Actually he's not suffering. Don't worry. Mr. Lozon's very chill.
You have Lozon too. That's
I'm pretty sure you had him all 3 years, right?
me. Yes, I
Yeah,
did. I did.
yeah, you did.
He's a chill person when you're on his good side. but like,
Yeah.
but like, you gotta work in his classes. No cap.
Of course, yeah. Actually, I don't remember. Do you remember Edward?
Edward. Yeah, I've heard
Uh,
of him. Yeah. Yeah. Edward.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You told me Lozon's chem is very useful because it prepares you for university.
Yeah.
And I'm
It's
just like, yeah, yeah. It seems like it. It seems like we're in university already.
yeah. I can't disagree. I can't disagree at all.
But yeah, he's a chill guy. Always is agreeing with me. Okay. Oh yeah,
Oh,
Abby, when you're, I don't
debugging.
know, yeah, whenever I don't know, you found the thing. I guess people can see how a true programmer works. I mean, after you find the thing.
All right, later. Elise. Thanks for dropping in.
Oh. All right. Yeah. See you later, always.
Oh, what's the issue?
Oh, my issue. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll actually show you. So when I'm trying to run, it's over here actually. So this event on ready, it runs when the bot's ready, right? So like when the bot connects and everything. And then what's happening is like I want to kind of make it so when a bot connects, for every guild in the bot's guilds, for every guild in the bot's guild, for every member in the guild, it creates a player class. But then when I run it, it does something weird. It does this. And apparently I get a maximum recursion depth exceeded. A recursion error for some reason. And I'm not sure why.
Check the player object.
Okay.
Line 18, right? Okay, so self the. Oh, that's right.
Because I'm adding this, right?
Yeah.
But
So
how would you do this? Like, how would you do this properly? If I want to store a static list of players.
so you want to store the user wallet level whatever, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you make that into a dictionary, and then add that into the players
What do
thing?
you mean?
So
Like,
what I mean is that like for the user, like you create a dictionary that has a key user and then equals user and then a key wallet equals 0 and then key level equals 0 and then key live equals 0, and we'll have that would define the user's like thing. I mean no, that doesn't make an object, doesn't it?
No, yeah, that's just a dictionary then, right?
Interesting.
I think like you know how in Java you can
Yeah.
wait I can't remember exactly.
Why
But
don't you add it in like a global, like when you form the players, why don't you just add the players thing into the thing? No, that's too much things. Hold up. What if why don't you define players in the bot pie and then add the player in there?
like well
When you do the for loop,
yeah.
you just do players dot append player
I see.
member.
Okay,
Yeah.
but then I have to store this player somewhere else then, right? Make it a object of actually there's no. I
You
just
can
have to
even
put it as like
you can make it like kind of like I don't know if it's a const. No, it's not really a constant, but it's like something important. That's it. Like
yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah, that should work.
yeah, players.
Players append, but I think it would be. I want it to be inside the player class, so we can access it from any other class. I mean, no, that you're right. Yeah, that would work. Actually, no, that might not work. Gotcha. Yeah, because
Or then define players outside of the player thing, player pie.
wait,
So like not in the class, not in player pie.
Yeah.
Put players equals whatever, but define it outside the class.
Outside the class. Okay.
Yes. And then just make it instead of self-taught players, just players dot append. If the wait,
Okay.
does global scope? Is there anything with global scope? It works, right?
Yeah, I think yeah, it looks like it works. Yeah.
No errors. Okay, that's a good thing. And yeah, just remove that the player dot member.
Wait. Oh wait, but now, this thing.
Hmm.
Okay.
Wait. Uh, the logic still isn't right, I think. But let's try.
Yeah, let me see. Let's see if it works at all. Cause like, I'm not
It's
sure if
like,
the problem is. Yeah, it
yeah,
still
it's
says the
really
same
clear.
thing.
It's that logic. Yeah. Go to play that file again. Okay, so what's going on is that we're defining the player, but we're like redefining it when you add the append part.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Try adding self. I don't know if that even
Oh,
works.
here?
Self and not user, just self.
Just
Because
not.
that would be the class, right? I mean the object, right?
You're right. Yeah. So self, but then like,
Without the parameters, I think.
so just self.
Yeah,
Okay. Wait, self as in like with brackets or without brackets? I
without.
think with brackets, right?
I think it's without, but it might go either way. You should just try either
Okay,
one.
let's try both. Yeah.
Here you go. It's markup time.
Oh yeah.
No.
My brother.
Looks like it works.
Okay, wait. Yeah, it looks
My
like it
brother
works.
has to get groceries now
Yeah. Now I gotta get groceries.
from the basement.
Yes, from the basement. But yeah, so I'm gonna be AFK for I think at least 15, almost 20 minutes probably. But yeah, sorry Abby, sorry to bail on you like that. But like,
No, at least 5 minutes.
but yeah, so
Because
I'll
he's
be
a
back
fast man.
in about 20 minutes.
Okay,
And I'll you want me to share your screen instead?
sure, I will.
Okay. But yeah, it looks like it works so far, but I didn't test it yet. All right. I'll see you later, Abby.
Yeah, see you in a bit.
Okay, I'm back. Abby, can you hear me? Oh, my bad. I didn't think it was gonna take this long. But here is your files, aka your screen. Anyway, I hope okay. Okay, so I will take over for now. Abby, just let me know if you're still there. Anyway, yeah. So welcome back, guys. After my break, aka my grocery time. Yeah, everyone's very serious about groceries. So yeah, I went to go get groceries and I came back up. Yeah, I'm back. So I think last time I shared my screen, I was having this recursion error where instead of having self over here, I had player. And I had the player and the parameter user. But that was actually wrong because then whenever a player is created, it creates another player and then it goes back up over here and then there's like an infinite loop, right? And you don't want that. So instead, you just put self here. And yeah, Abby's very smart to point that out to me. And okay, so now if I somehow, so instead of doing it like this, where every single guild member, it becomes a player, whenever a bot joins a guild, so instead of being like, whenever someone joins, oh yeah, so whenever the bot is ready, every single guild there becomes a player. So what would happen is whenever the bot reconnects, this would run. And I think that's actually, yeah, that would be a good thing. But whenever the bot is running, so whenever we have like a server or something where the bot would be running basically 24/7, this piece of code would only run when it's first online, right? Hypothetically, I mean that would be what we want, but sometimes things happen and bots won't be able to be online all the time. But this code is going to be the one that's going to be running most of the time. So whenever a bot is added to a new guild or server, so on guild join is the event. For every member in the members in the server, we add a new player object. We make a new player object with that user as the parameter to our player object. Okay, so now we're actually going to test this out. See if this works at all. So first I need to trash my current instance. And then I need to somehow, okay, so it looks like this is what, okay, so over here, when I type in buy, whenever the shop, when I run the shop, then the shop environment will start running. And when I type in buy, it will print out the players in the player class, which is a static list over here. Okay, so let's actually run the bot. Is it enough of me talking? Okay, looks like it worked. Let's try it here. Let's see what the players are. So now I'm in the shop environment. Try buying. IS. Oh, it didn't work. Looks like there's an error somewhere. Let's see. Type object player has no attribute players. Interesting. Okay, that makes sense. Because players is not part of the class. Over here. I think this make it easier. Self players. I hope. Not sure if this will work. I hope it does. Okay. So now let's reload shop. Shop again. I'm gonna ship for a second. Okay. Looks like it's the same error. No, it's not. Buy S. I should do this.
Hello.
Oh, Abby, what's up, man? My bad
Yeah,
for.
sorry, I had to eat.
Oh, okay, makes sense. But yeah, my bad for taking extra time.
Yeah, that's no worries.
All right. Yeah, so I'm just you can continue. Are you done eating, or if you're not, I can. I'm like.
No, I'm not. I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, but yeah.
Yeah, what happened to the thing?
No, nothing much. Remember when we ran it, when we ran the bot with your fix with the self over
Yeah.
here. It ran, but now it's like there's some other error over here. But yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. That's all.
Let's see.
Whoops.
Need any help by any chance? But
Actually, yeah. Like, I barely looked at the error yet, but it seems like this loop is not even running. So basically, what's happening is like in my shop environment. So it's like this is like basically an on message loop or on message event.
I see.
Whenever I type in buy, then this should send player.players, which is this. And apparently, player has no attribute players. Whoops. Buy. Okay, let me try this again. We try .reload shop. Oh wait, are you also running your instance also, like your bot?
I think I took out all my runs.
Okay, never mind. So that's mine then. Okay, players, no attribute players. Let's see. Okay, now let's consult Google. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty funny. I was Googling this before, and apparently my screen is frozen. Let us try. Okay, it's reloading. Oh, okay, I'm back. Yeah. Okay, so it says. Okay, so it looks like this is a global list. Interesting. How to create a list of objects Static list of objects. A class. Python. Interesting. Okay. I'm just reading this. I'm actually checking. So it looks like this person also used a list outside of the class. But I think in Java, static, it's not a list, like array of objects in.
I think I have an idea. This is I think this is kind of counterintuitive, but let's do it anyways. So you know how you have cosplayer, right?
Class, yeah. Okay.
Um, Wait, no, never mind.
Oh, I think like I know how to do it in Java. Maybe if the Java thing can somehow translate to Python. I'm not sure. I can't exactly remember.
Wait, what if we have like a parent class of the player? So like players or something like that. I feel like that's I don't know.
Thinking, yeah, I guess. I mean,
No,
like the problem is like having a parent class of a class. Isn't that just like taking it? I don't know. I'm thinking that there might be simpler. That I think that should work. But like instead of doing it like that, why don't we just put it inside some other class, like a bot class, or like the bot, like make it an attribute of the bot instead. Because then you have then you have like a random players class that does nothing else. But that should like that might work. I'm not sure if it's the best. You know what I mean? Let's see.
I mean, I think if we use something sort of weird, it might work. Can I share my screen?
Oh yeah. You want to share your screen, right? Okay, yeah, okay. There we go.
Yeah, so it says since the main script looks like a service, you can enhance it with the web API. So essentially, you communicate through the actual like port. So like it's not necessarily like a direct like communication. It's more like through like an external like source, and then retrieving it from another script.
Oh.
I think it works, but
Oh wait, so. Oh, okay, but then what will I do though? Like for a bot?
for the bot, let's see this thing here. um,
Oh, I was thinking like, oh, I thought you were talking about like the list problem. Is this something else? Oh, okay.
there might be a way to like request for information through this, but yeah,
Oh,
I can't find any very simple things.
Oh, I see. Well, like, what is it for though? I mean,
Like, suppose you want to like, the thing is, whenever you like create a new like object, it doesn't necessarily like cache. What I mean is that like, for instance, if I had like one player class, and then I had another player, and then from another script I reference the same player class. We're gonna still have different objects, so like it's not gonna be one to one. So you're not gonna have like the same like information. So the
Really?
player
Oh,
list will be different.
really?
It's
Wow. Okay.
yeah,
I don't know that.
it's sort of weird how that works, but in a way you have to find a way to like talk between two scripts, like two like already existing things, rather than creating a new one. Because if you create a new one, it just gives you the default settings, right? It won't give you
Yeah,
like it won't give you like the updated information.
but like, so there's nothing stored in the class like in Java, where it's just like there's like a class and then there's like objects that reference that class.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I see. Okay, so that's gonna be okay.
Yeah, it's kind of
Oh,
difficult. Um,
okay, I'm trying to find something. I think I saw something about like people using like somehow global variables as a list and then like putting objects inside that list. I think yeah. So you might be right with that, where we have to make a new class somehow and then put. Okay, I'm gonna actually see. Okay, then in that case, I'm actually gonna see if I can somehow make the players make like a list of players an attribute of the bot somehow.
wait,
I don't know.
is there a way to get like a completely global variable?
Oh, I don't think we can do that because like we have so many different files and they're all accessing each other. Like the bot is, I guess, in a sense, yeah, you can, but
Is there a way? Is it like completely global? So like if I were to like name a variable and then like go to another file, would it actually reference the same variable? Is there a way to do that?
if there is, it should be in the bot, like the bot.py file, because that's the one that is kind of commanding everything else.
Hmm.
Because if I try making a variable in the bot.py file, there might be a way to access it somewhere else. I think. Okay, wait. Yeah. Player.players. But the problem is, it's not a class, so you can't just like import it like you'd import a class. It's just a bunch of code. And the other problem is it only runs once, I think. Or am I wrong? But anyway, I'm gonna try looking at I'm gonna try one more attempt looking at if I can somehow put the players inside the class. What if it's like every object has a copy of the players list? Is that possible? That'll be really weird though. Okay, so that's not it. Oh no, I'm probably frozen again. Oh, okay, I'm back.
Did you see Lalit's comment?
Oh wait, what? Did you
Lalit made a comment. Hello, Lalit, by the way. For that, you would
Oh,
need to make a file just for variables and then import it to every other file. Well, yes, but no. That would not work because we're still creating a different instance of that file when we import it. So it's not gonna store that variable. So it's gonna give you like a default version of that file. That's a good idea though, because
That is, yeah.
if it was like initial data, then yeah, that would make sense like a lot. But once you update it, it's not gonna give you like the most recently updated information. It'll give you like the default information.
Oh, wait. Oh, I was reading this before. Let me actually share my screen. Oh, I already am. Anyway, just magnify it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so over here, they basically made a class, right? So my class and class variable. So this is like class variable outside the init function. So they made a class variable over here, and then they made two objects over here, and they put the parameter as 2 and 3. So then their ivar became 2 and 3. Yeah. So when they print out class var, it's 1 on both of them, and when they print out ivar, it's 2 and 3. And when they accessed it in like a static fashion, they got 1. So that's why I thought you can just put a list and just add every object to that list. Oh yeah, and they also said over here for Java or C++ programs, the class attribute is similar but not identical.
But that I think. Okay. Yes, I formulated my words correctly. So essentially, when we create that new file, that once you change that classifier thing, it's gonna like suppose like in one of the objects you change the classifier thing into something else, the other object won't like match with that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
So one might be like 2, and then the other one might be 1. How are you doing, guys? Says Lalith. I'm doing fine, Lalith. I think it's been a pretty decent year for everyone, like so far, compared to last year.
Yeah, I'm doing good too. Oh yeah, yo, did you get your graduation picture?
My what?
Your graduation picture?
No, I didn't.
No?
No.
Oh no, I didn't get it either. I actually booked an appointment. I think next. You should book an appointment too. I think you still can't.
For graduation pictures?
Yeah, it's like a once in a lifetime opportunity, man.
I wish I could, but okay, do I have to go in school?
No, it's not in school. It's like, they set up these like pop-up thingies, and then you go to those, and then they take your picture for like it's like a 5-minute or 10-minute appointment.
Interesting.
I can send you a link if you want. But yeah, it's like I was like I missed I don't know if you remember, but like in the beginning of the year, they gave us this email where it said, "Oh, you need to get these graduation pictures in this time frame, like somewhere in October." And then I kind of missed it too. Do you remember?
I think so.
Well, yeah. So I missed it. I was just like, "Oh man, okay, whatever." I was just like, "Whatever, yeah." Like I can just leave it. But then I realized that this is the last time we're gonna be in high school. So yeah. Oh wait. Police said how?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he said okay. Yeah. So basically, let me actually.
Bro, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen like if no one takes your graduation photo? Like
Yeah, I know. Like I was
it's
wondering.
gonna be like you're gonna look at the school and it's gonna be like 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then just skips 2020, 21, and then it goes 2022, 2023.
Yeah, exactly. There's gonna be like I think a few people actually took their picture. So it's gonna be like 3 people.
2020 might be okay, but 2021, I don't even know.
Yeah, me neither. I think most people are gonna be used to it by then.
True.
So probably they're gonna do something else. Okay, so over here, high school fall photo day. Oh yeah, okay. So for schools, you go to high school. Okay, now we're here. Okay, wait. I don't remember exactly what to do. Oh wait, this is not the one. Okay, so for yes, book your grad session for parents, and then book an appointment at your school. If I don't think our school is here, so you think we should show our school?
No, let's prove like conceal it for the culture.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, I think you just type it over here, or if it doesn't work, maybe go. Wait, Elise, did you see that? Did you see? Oh, the link. Okay, so anyway, the link is right over here. So edgeimaging.ca/en/high school, and then oh wait, no, that's not actually the link. My bad. So we just go here. This is the link. So edgeimaging.ca.en/book your grad session. Let me post it. For every Woburn, oh my bad. For every high school man who's trying to do their grad picture, and I don't know, they have like Edge Imaging as their photo people.
Yo, you want to post it on the
That's the
Discord
link.
too?
Yeah, I'll send it on Discord. Ta-na-na-na. But yeah, so I don't know which one you have to do. I forgot which one I did, but one of them work. And I don't think you can do it at our school anymore. So probably over here, this one. But yeah, I'll send it to you. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyway, now that we all have the knowledge of our school photos, graduation photos, we now can get back to our very interesting Python problem. Am I right?
Yes. Let's think about this in a different perspective. So when we create a file or when we create a new class, it creates instantiate a new class, it would create a new object, and that object would have all the default information, right? We got that
Yes.
part clear.
What do you mean by default information, though? Like, they're all
Suppose
gonna have something. So if it has a parameter, it's gonna have that parameter.
oh, right. Yeah, just like based on that init function, or like based on the init function and the player's thing.
Yeah.
So we can't reference the same object by creating two different objects. Is there a way to reference the object by like an ID or something?
Object ID, the name of the object, like this S1, right? That's how you reference it. Oh, and also Elite asked something about OCR engines. Do you know what OCR engine is?
Me?
Anyway,
OCR.
I don't know OCR.
I think OCR.
I actually have no clue.
Is it some like does it like convert stuff? It converts files, I think.
OCR. Oh yeah, OCR. Oh yeah, like you take an image, and then it translates it into like text and stuff, so you can do Control Z and V. Do you know Cami? Oh yeah. I know. My brother used Cami. I think lots of teachers use Cami, but Cami does it pretty well. If you just Google Cami, that's a pretty nice OCR thingy. Oh yeah. Back to what we're saying. What were you saying again? Like the default something class. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah. So, is there a way to reference the same object by ID possibly?
yeah, the variable name, right?
Reference.
Oh wait, look. They're actually doing what we're trying to do here too. Wait.
Bro, bro.
Should, see.
I
Look at this. Person. All names dot append. Oh, maybe that's how you do it. Oh, you see what they're doing? All names is their class, I guess, attribute, as you can say, and then in the init they have person dot all names dot append name, and in this case they do. I think that's how you're supposed to do it over here, and then over here they do basically the same thing except all people over here, and person dot all people dot append self. So what we're doing wrong is we're doing self.players dot append. So it's going like, oh wait, I'm supposed to append self wait, yeah. So it's like the object is appending its players list, is appending itself to its own list. So
I don't think
it
that
gets,
works
yeah.
because
Wait,
when we
player?
create it, I have a question. I have a question.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, player might. Whoa,
Yeah,
that
this
is
is what
smart.
they did. Wait, can you see my screen? Yeah, you can see my screen. Over here. So they went like all people as the list, and then they put person dot all people dot append. So that's what you have to do, I think. And then they have like when you print all people, that you get all the objects. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Save that. Save this. This is yellow for some reason. It's not
Interesting.
fine.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So that's certainly something that should work.
I hope so. Okay. Let me go back to Discord. I closed Discord for some reason. Discord.
Wait, do you think it's like equivalent of doing like in Java, like your class name dot class kind of?
Yeah. Oh wait, no. Class name. I don't think it's that. It's just the class name dot players, like class name dot an attribute, static attribute, right?
Yeah.
Instead of doing like self, because self is like, I actually don't know the details, but like
I think
what I see.
self references the object, whereas the player class references like the external class. So like
Yeah,
the actual like parent that is referencing. So it would replicate to every single object.
yeah,
Or
that's what I think. Yeah. Oops. Reload. Shop. Now I hope it'll work. I just what's supposed to do is just print out all the players. Oh no, same problem. Player has no attribute players. Okay, let me try just shutting this thing down and then redoing it. Okay, now it says, doesn't say reconnected yet. Now it's connected. Dot shop. Oh, Shop, should work. Yeah. Okay. Buy. Hey, there we go. We only have one player.
Do you want me adding? Do you want me adding me? Let's see what
Sorry?
happens. Do you want me to like call it and then see what happens?
Call. I don't know. No, the thing is like, all it's supposed to do is like when it joins, when the bot like just turns on, or like I don't know a better word, but yeah, when it turns on, it's supposed to make every single member inside the guild a player. But it didn't do that. It just put like just one player. You can try it. I mean, you can try. What I'm gonna do is try to see.
Wait, what if we had a method that just does get all, and then in a global context we do
All. Hey, are you talking about your thing or my thing?
I think the player thing. Can you go to
Oh,
player?
yeah.
So we we put try to put. I don't know if this works, but let's experiment a little. Try to put players out of the thing, out of the
This one?
yeah.
Okay. Players. Oh, but the thing is, when you do this, then the other classes can't access it, right? Because it's not part of the class.
Yeah. That's why I'm thinking. I'm thinking if this is a hack or something, but let's try. Do players dot append self instead of player dot players.
Okay. There's the append cell.
And have a method called def get.
Okay. Get players.
Yeah, with self, and then
Oh,
just
yeah.
return the players.
Okay. Now it's just gonna. Okay. I see what you did.
That's sort of a hack.
Okay, so player. If I do player. Wait. So can I just access this method
You can
by
just
just calling? No, I mean like over here. Can I just do player dot get something? I can, right?
yeah, get players. Yeah, that makes sense. I think.
Does that work? Do I need brackets?
Wait, no. I think you might need.
Looks like it
Did
works. I don't know.
you do you define all the players first before calling that?
Did I define player? I did. I just imported it.
Oh, I mean like why is my brain not working today? I like did you like create every single player before you call get players?
Yeah, so I do it when the bot turns on, like when the bot connects.
Okay. Um. Yeah, then should work.
Because I'm gonna actually make this more specific. The thing is, another problem with Python is like all the variables don't have any like they don't have any type, so you have to kind of guess. Like the thing the IDE can't tell you what's going on. So like when I hover over here, it just tells me members is any variable, and I don't really know what's gonna happen. So anyway, I'll just leave it. What was I gonna? Oh yeah, we're gonna rerun this, right? I'm gonna do this. Oh wait, this is gonna give an error. Yeah, phi is not defined. Message dot guild dot send Wait, no, that's not gonna work. Message.guild. Is it .send? Message. Oh, message at channel. Oops. Let's try this again. I don't have to do that. Reload. Shop. Shop. Buy. Oh. Get players missing one positional argument. Sell. I see. What if I just do this?
Video delete.
Oh.
And I guess Zaid is the one who you should be thanking for the link.
Yeah, no problem, Lee. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so let's try this.
Wait, take out self and then just call it normally.
Take out self?
Yeah.
Does that even work?
I don't even know, but let's try. And I call it normally because self means that it often refers to an object. Since this is just a class, I don't think it would work if there was self.
Okay. Oh, thank you for the coconut. Oh, yeah, my little brother just gave me coconut. Okay, yeah. Let's try. The other problem is like I don't know. I'm just gonna rant over here. The player can't be reloaded. You can't just put reload player over here. You have to like restart the whole bot. That's what I don't like. Okay. Anyway, shop again. Shop. Buy. Hey, oh, that actually worked. Oh yeah, okay. Oh no, wait, I was doing it wrong. I just put the dot method. I didn't put any brackets. But that still works somehow. Nani? Let me try putting brackets now. Reload shop. Okay, it still works. I have no clue what's happening anymore. Okay, so
Wait, try running it again.
yeah, I just did. Oh, you want me to run it one more time?
Yeah, like stop it and then run it.
Okay. Oh yeah, my bad. You have to work on the thing too, don't you?
It's okay. I can help. Always got time to help, you know?
Oh yeah. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's the same thing. So I guess it's only seeing itself. It might be a problem with permissions. So I think the code works. It's just it needs like permission in order to see all the members. Let me actually see what's happening. Discord developers. I gotta log in.
What does the coconut taste like? What does the coconut taste like?
Oh, it tastes pretty good.
But it's almost rotten.
Oh no. Okay, wait. Let me log into Discord.
I think that if it wasn't that rotten, then it would be better.
Maybe. Okay, so science scan QR code. Yes. Okay, so if I go over here. Oh, you can still hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hmm. Okay, so, oops. So, OAuth 2, there's no permissions over here. But, view, Can we set permissions in the code? Creates intents without everything enabled except parents and members. Oh, okay, so I think you can actually do it through code then. So you got the raw value.
I think I have a pretty insane idea.
What's your idea?
So instead of trying to let the script handle that, trying to like communicate between files, why don't we just have a text file that stores the data? And then it can be like accessed by every single script.
Oh, wait. Oh, you're saying it like that? Oh, okay.
Because it will be obviously updated every time, right?
That's true, yeah. But it looks like it's working though right now. Are you saying like if we have anything in the future?
Yeah. Like suppose like we want to like use like multiple files to like read and like make changes. I don't know if the same where method would work.
I think it might be better just to keep it in Python. This is my opinion, my educated guess.
Yeah, you're
Because
probably right.
yeah, I don't know, because like having a text file, it may be just harder to open and close that. I mean, basically, you're doing the same thing, except it's more like Python integrated, right?
Right.
I think. Because like if you just have stuff in class, I don't know if it comes to that, and we'll see. I think right now we're good with this class, but we might need it in the future. But I guess we'll decide that time. Oh yeah, basically I'm trying to. It looks like it says over here that the bot is allowed to see members. Intents.members equals true. But I don't see. Wait, it doesn't seem like intents is used anywhere. Final references. Yeah, it's not. Intents aren't really used anywhere. spot. Oh yeah, Abby, we can work on your thing. I think I'm good.
Okay. I
And if
think
you want,
I think I'm gonna dip in like 5 minutes or so though.
oh okay, no problem. We can end. I'll keep on working, but stream. You can end the stream. Yeah, I gotta also eat too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so let me know. Let me know when you gotta go, and we can.
Okay.
Oh
Alrighty.
yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So I was trying to find. Well, I think it froze again. Oh, never mind. It didn't. Okay. Or it did. Okay, I'm back. Let's go to. I already have API reference here. Intents. Excuse me. Intents. That's what we need. Client bot.intents. So we need to somehow give the bot permission. I don't think the bot has any permission yet. Intents configured for this connection. Let me actually print that out. Already. To Discord. Add intents over here, and then okay. So now we can actually check what the intents, what permissions this bot has. 32509. Let's see what that is. Yeah, right over here. Oh, I can't just check, can I? No. Integer. This is Discord.js, but oof. Okay, never mind. That's not what I was looking for. It looks like it has intents value of this. I'm not even sure what that means. But maybe this bot has a default value for intents. Intents, no, it doesn't. Huh. Can we change the intent somehow? If I make intents, maybe if I just do this, dot intents equals intents this is intense. I see. Okay. Let's actually try running this. Oops. After that failed attempt, let's try again. Can't set attribute. Okay. Okay, maybe if I do something like this, intense equals intense. Does that work? Yay, that worked. Okay. Let's try this again. Got shop by. Hey, that worked. Awesome. Okay, so now that we can do that, we now have an attribute. We now have, so how I mentioned before at the beginning, each of these, everyone in this server has a wallet. They have a wallet, and they have a level, and they have lives, and they have a name also. So now that we fixed the player class, hopefully, I don't know if the stream will end soon or not, but most likely we're going to implement the majority of the player class. Most likely next stream. So this stream was like, I know most of our streams are not very, like, we're not super productive or anything. We're just trying to figure stuff out ourselves, and we're just kind of share that. We just kind of share that with YouTube and other people and Twitch, and yeah, with you guys. But yeah, so I'll continue, and then we'll end it whenever Abby has to leave. Okay, so now that we have players, we have all the players here. I'm actually gonna try one more thing. I kind of like this approach. I'm gonna try that once more. So I'm gonna try this. Reload. Reload. Oh, actually, that won't work. I gotta restart this. Okay. So we shop, then we buy. Oh, okay. I forgot to change it in shop. Player.players. Okay, so here too, just in case. Save. And then reload shop. 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 Okay. Shop. Buy. Still works. I like this approach better because I don't know why. I'm more used to Java in this way. So I like having everything in the class. But Abby's way is actually probably better because you're not accessing the what is it? You're not accessing the player variable itself. And you can't change it that way either. Anyway, it might be better to revert to I might actually revert to it, yeah. F. I'm gonna actually undo everything. Undo. Grab the undo button. Okay. Save that. Over here too. Save this. Okay. So now that we have that, I'll just close this instance. Now that we have this, I'm gonna try use. I'm gonna try to use the by function that I've made over here. But the thing is, Python only recognizes functions before you call them. So I'm gonna have to put by over here. And this is oh, can I just okay. Guess not. Self.by. I just do by. Can't. Self.by. And then self. Oh, actually, never mind. I don't have to put that. I can just put by. Wait. Okay, let me actually try this. I know I said I had to put it before, but let me try it after. Exploring, guys. Reload. I didn't run the program yet. Okay. Let's run it. And now .shop. Then by. Okay, so content equals string content. So it's never waited, okay. Do that? I'm not even sure. Huh, okay, let's try this. I'm changing two things at once. Reload by. Nope, reload, my bad. Reload by. Okay, that worked. Okay. Now that I can do that, actually make something. If.get names. Turn names. Okay, we might need that in the future. Oh, there's no name. Never mind. Okay, return name. Def get wallet. Return wallet. Def. And I'm also wondering, I can just access these things without needing to make all these. Instead of doing that, I'll just do it. Yeah, you can just access it like that. Never mind. Okay, so I don't need that. So I need more than just self over here. I probably need the person who sent the message. So player who's buying. Okay. And this should be a player. And over here, I would need to get no, okay. I think it's better just do it in here then. I'll put in a user. And then I'll just put in a user here. Message dot wait. User, can I just do that? Does that work? Let's see on the API reference. Clients, nope, okay. Message. Dot message. Okay, so in the message the author, that's the attribute, that's what I need. So I go over here, message the author. And I just send, I'm pretty sure it's message the author is a user, a member that sent the message. If channel is a private channel or left the guild, then it's a user instead. So it sends a member, okay. And is a member a user? Is it? I guess not. So instead, can I just put, can I actually try? It might just break the program, but maybe not. Discord.member. Not member. Okay. Now I'm going to try to player. Oh. Okay, yeah. So I'm just gonna get it from the list of players. Player dot get players. I have a list. For player in the list. So I just searched the whole list. It's probably a very bad approach, but I think I'm probably gonna use a binary search or something maybe later, or if there's a better version, then we'll probably use it later. But anyway, I'm just trying to make it work right now. So player in players, if player dot user player dot user is user break. And then I also have a player. No, then I have too many players then. Let's make it P. Player equals none. Now. Player equals P. Now that I have that player, so player dot wallet. I'll just print out the wallet. Turn player dot wallet. I'll add $100 because I'm nice. Player dot wallet plus equals 100. Take this and let's reload it and see if it works. Shop. Shop. Nice. And while I'm at it, I'm actually going to print out more than that. Player dot name. Oh. Player dot wall name first. And then wallet. Okay. Let's try reloading that and running it. Load. Shop. Shop. Buy. Oh. Okay, that took a while. So that's I guess this is probably not the best solution. Maybe if there's a way to find a player. If there was only a way that I could treat a player like a user and just take and just ask the message for the player. That tickles my brain. If there was only a way. Oh, Joseph is here. What's up, man? I don't know if I missed you. Oh, I didn't miss you. Okay, good. Oh yeah, thank you, man. Thank you for stopping by. Oh yeah, how's life? Right now, yeah, I guess hopefully, yeah, I'm basically just explaining all the problems that I'm having, but hopefully we get some of it done. We have something working correctly at least. But yeah, Joseph, be sure to I don't know, add this Discord bot once it's done. I don't know. Okay, so let's define a new function, get a player, and I'm going to somehow get a player from the list of players that I already have. So I guess this will just take a user, and I don't want to do the same thing I did over here, which is just the for loop. Instead, if there was a way to just do this. User in players. Oh. I might have to just make this a dictionary. Oh yeah, and we're gonna end soon. Whoever's still here. But yeah, thanks for joining us. I'll end in about 10-ish minutes. But yeah, thank you guys for whoever's watching so far. Yeah, so Joseph and Leaf, you guys were here before. But yeah, so wish us luck though. We're about 50-ish% done, almost a little bit more, probably almost 60%. But yeah, hopefully we get this out before the end of the school year. So players, if I make a user, players, do it like that. And then I just take a user. If I want to get that specific player, I just do this. I don't know if that even works, but yeah. Return that. And there should be like a try catch. So if this does not work, it's gonna die. It's gonna crash. The program's gonna stop. So instead, I want to make it so it does something else instead of stopping. But basically, if the user is not part of players, if there was never a player with that user, if there was never a user that got turned into a player and that stored in this player dictionary, we're gonna catch something. I don't even know what exception this is gonna be. It's a blank catch, I guess. Oh wait, it's not even catch. Whoops. Try accept. Forgot that's not Java. And accept, and then I guess return. Actually, I'll just let it throw an error, and then we'll catch it in the other place.
Hey.
Oh, what's up, man?
Sorry, I was AFK for a little.
Oh, that's all right.
Oh, hey, Joseph. Hope you're enjoying the stream.
Yeah, me too. But yeah, so are you leaving still? I mean, I said we're gonna end in about 10 minutes.
Okay, well, under 10 minutes then.
All right, cool. So do you wanna? I mean, I've basically shown what I was gonna do next. So do you wanna show what your? I don't know. You wanna show your screen?
Yeah, sure. I'm actually working on something right now, so.
Oh, okay. I'll just keep mine on there. I'm almost done. Actually, I'm not almost done. I'm still experimenting. Okay. Player.name. So instead of doing like this, just go like this: player dot players. Get players. No. Get player. And then we just put in the user. That should be better. Okay, now I actually gotta, yeah, so I killed it already. So now we restart the program. We got hopefully no errors. Hey, no errors. Okay. Now we shop. Okay, now we buy. Awesome. Okay. It wasn't slow at all this time. Probably this, I'm not sure, but maybe the slowness is something to do with the network connection also. But otherwise, it looks like this code is going, I mean, this piece of code worked like I hoped it would. Okay, yeah, so it looks like this part's working so far. Next, what I want to do is somehow make it so, yeah, so this code I actually commented out before, but this, what it does is, or what I hope it does is it splits the message. So if someone types in buy and then like buy, for example, a life, then it splits the message. So it recognizes that this is a buy and runs this buy function, and it also recognizes that what it's trying to buy. So it basically splits this message into two parts, and I get to know what the person wants to buy and if it's buying, like if it's a buy or if it's like something else or some other message. But the problem is if someone types in something else like that, some random stuff at the end. I'd somehow find out how we're gonna handle that. But for now, so what I did before was I just took the contents of the message and I split it into its parts, and I put that in this variable called parts. This is a list. So now I have those two parts, and if it's less than two parts, then there's an invalid item selected. But if it's more than two parts, then it'll respond by saying thank you for buying that. But I also want it to be, I don't want anything to happen if it's more than two parts. So if they typed in some random stuff like I said before, I don't want it to run anything. Oh, actually, it looks like it's working right now anyway. So I don't need to put that last statement. That statement I was about to write, where if it's larger than two parts, then you have to say something else, but like invalid something. But it looks like over here it's already handled. So even if someone writes something, this is like not a very good. It's not a very good solution, but probably gonna fix this further in the future. But right now, if someone types in buy and then life and then something else, oh, not that, as, or like if they could type in shield, got that wrong, shield. Yeah, if they type in something like this, it will only recognize the first thing, which is life, and not shield. So that should work okay so far. But let's see. That I was selected. Thank you for buying that. And then now I actually have to subtract the money from the person's wallet. So let's go over here. So I first need to find out what type of thing they're trying to buy. Else, and I need to get that from the items that I put over here. These are the items. And I spelled shield wrong here too. Well, SHIELD. And yeah, it doesn't look like I did it anywhere else. Okay. Oh yeah, I only have 3 more minutes until we're ending. But hopefully by the end of this, I'll get this working. Okay, so parts, first part, which is the first item. Okay. If, oh no. Yeah, so we do this. Item equals. Oh yeah, so I'll also add another parameter here. Item. An item is not an object, it's just a name, dictionary name, that's all. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll handle it inside the function itself. Thank you for buying that. And this, I'll wait this before. I don't have to send this buy function doesn't have to return anything except for the wallet information. Buy dot message the author and then item, which is this parts.1. And let me actually see if there's any item. Okay, good. Oh wait, no, there's more. Whoa. Self.items, I see. Items. Okay, so it looks like there's no item variable except for this variable that I'm using as a parameter. Okay, so now that I have this, I can just do it like this. So item equals parts. Item, and now I just feed this item as an argument in buy, and then in buy, what it's going to do is it's going to minus the price, which is whatever the price is for this. So price is this attribute over here. So we go self dot items dot item and price. And this item's a string also, so yeah. Okay, so this is going to be a list of strings. This is going to be a string. This is going to be a string over here. This is going to be a string. Okay, and now if this doesn't work, then I'll probably still end the stream, unfortunately. But we'll try fixing it. I'll try fixing it after the stream. But if it works, then that's awesome. Thank you for buying item. Oh yeah, and also I might want to return the player's wallet after. Huh. Okay. Do this real quick. Wallet. Okay, good. It's not mentioned anywhere else. Wallet equals this. Thank you for buying this. Thank you for buying the item. You have this number of dollars remaining. Oops. Let's try this real quick. Return player.wallet. Save. Now we reload. Shop. Shop. We buy a life. Oh. Key error life. Okay. Buy life. Hey, oh, I have negative $900 remaining. Okay, it works, but it doesn't work fully. Anyway, thank you guys for joining. Abby, if you I don't know if Abby is still here, but anyway, oh, Abby, you're still here. Yeah, what's up, man? Do you see my epic success?
Yes.
Oh yeah, negative $900. Yeah, it's like half. It's like a quarter success. That's what I'm gonna say. But remaining positive.
Perfect message too. Thank you for buying life.
I know, right? Thank you for buying. How did you realize that?
You never know. Like this can apply in real life too sometimes.
Oh yeah, of course. But anyway,
Hope
let me
you
give a
guys.
farewell message.
Yeah. So, to the one viewer out there, shout out to you. You gotta. Yeah, I got no words. It's been
That's all right. That's all right. We don't need words. All right. Thank you guys for joining us. Go do something with your life, please. Don't just sit around.
Yeah, man, for real. Like,
yeah.
there's too many people out. Like, I'm not calling anyone out there, but like, there's just too many like people who are like, oh, I'll do this tomorrow, or like, I'll just wait until uni comes, or like I'll wait until this time comes or this opportunity comes. Like, don't wait for it, man. Just go for it. Like, it's not. Life's too short to wait.
Exactly. Wise words by Abby. That's actually very true. Yeah, he's right. Anyway, thank you for joining us, and I guess we'll see you next time.
Yeah. See ya, folks.